here we are, part 12. And there's not going to be a whole lot to see other than the reveal, but I am going to show you little bits and pieces here without doing the reveal all at one time. So I'm going to tell you about some mistakes that I think in hindsight I could have done something a little better, and so that you won't make the mistake if you go to do that. Let me flip this around. Alright, here we are. Looking, I got the roof all done. I stuck the cap on the walls there all the way around. I got the sand down, and I got the roof components glued in. I did some touching up, and that's a lot to chew right up there at once. I ain't 100% happy with this, but what you gotta do? I am not tearing it apart and putting an all new roof on because I don't like the way the sand is. In hindsight, if I had to do over again, here's some things that I did that I wished I wouldn't have done. I took my Elmer's glue right here, and I just turned it upside down, and I squirted it on there, and then took a brush and smeared it around. I wished I wouldn't have done that. I wished I'd have put the glue on a plate, and then took the brush and brushed it on just like paint, and then applied the sand. And then applying the sand, I used a spoon doing the tapping motion. If I had to do over again, I'd have ran to the dollar store and got one of those little sieves, you know, like you'd make if you were going to make a static grass applicator using the fly spotter thing. If I had one of them and would have sieved the sand down through nice and evenly, I think it would have looked a little nicer. This is not bad. And it does look like it's a little worn because you have darker spots here and there, and that's kind of the way the real roofs go, but it's not the way I envisioned it. So, and I touched up with some paint here and there, spots, and yeah. So now I'm going to move to sticking that teeny weeny, eeny beeny, itsy bitsy little gas meter on the side, and electric meter, and a couple other little touch-ups, and I should be about done. Alright, I will see you in a little bit here. Alright, as you can see, I got the gas meter and the electric meter installed. Plus, I've been installing this like around here. Robert asked me to put that around because it's like the foundation, and he asked me if I would simulate that, so I did. So I got that on, and I got this on, and the only thing left to do is weather it and shoot it with some dull coat, and this puppy, as far as I can see, is done, and ready for Robert. So when I come back, the reveal will be here. Alright. Well, folks, 12 parts. About 3 or 4 months in the making. We're finally here. It's done. So without further ado, here we go. I just want to say thank you all for watching this whole series and being so patient with me. Thank you for all the advice that you guys gave in the comments, and God bless y'all. Thank you, Robert, for asking me to do this. It was a good experience.